Our Learning Success Kits are filled with over 18 different activities that were created by teachers for teachers and students. What I'm showing you today is our PreK kit. Each kit comes with an activity book with a letter in both English and Spanish, as well as different instructions on how to use all the materials and how to take them a step further once your child masters them. It comes with 6 double-sided dry erase mats, a game, different tools. We have some different reading materials, as well as some journals to help your students or your children practice those skills to get them ready for kindergarten. These kits are available in a variety of different grade levels. Check out our website, reallygoodstuff.com.